What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. Okay, so y'all, we are back with one of my favorite companies, Unice, but this time, this is Unice from Amazon, y'all. A lot of y'all really be sleeping on Amazon wigs, and let me tell you, listen, baby, this is an Amazon wig. Transparent lace, all that. And this is a glueless install with a frontal. I don't think I've ever done a glueless install with a frontal, but y'all, I have, where is it? I don't even know. I have a lot of faith in this Eben holding gel. Y'all, this is nothing like Got To Be. Got To Be is trash compared to Eben, y'all. You guys already know I use the Eben spray sometimes for my glueless installs, but ever since I came across this now is what I'm going to be using for my installs, my glueless installs, along with the spray on top, just so it could be like an extra layer of security. But y'all, this is no joke. You see how it Got To Be you have to blow dry it tacky? No, this comes out already tacky, so literally you don't have to do no blow drying, no waiting, no nothing. Your install can literally take you 20 minutes tops to do, y'all. But anyway, that's besides the point. This is a wig from Amazon, y'all. I don't know, I don't want to say I don't think I've ever received a wig from Amazon, but I don't think I've ever received a wig from Amazon that's this good. Like, I swear, y'all, this wig is everything. The curl pattern, the color, the lace is what really surprised me, because I feel like sometimes, I don't know, I feel like I wasn't expecting this type of lace. I was expecting that gray, thick, hard to melt type lace, but y'all, this lace melted. Not only is Unice fire, period, but Unice wigs on Amazon is fire as well, y'all. I was sent auburn, you could say ginger, brown, whatever color you want to call it, 24-inch curly wig, y'all, and these curls are really giving. Like, this hairstyle is giving. Yo, everything is just giving about this look. Like I said, I'm beyond surprised. This is an Amazon wig, y'all. Amazon, wow, they really surprised me. Like, I'm shook right now. Like, I was not expecting this wig to look like this. I don't know, in the beginning I was still trying to skeptical. I'm like, yo, this wig better not play with me. I was not expecting this wig to body like this. If you've never ever received a wig from Amazon, I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead, the link gonna be down below, go ahead and purchase you a wig from Unice on Amazon. I don't know about these other companies on Amazon, but I just know Unice would not do y'all wrong, bro. Like, this wig is giving. And y'all, in the video, I may be all over the place. I was recording the TikTok at the same time as a YouTube video, and y'all, I don't know how these content creators do it. I was low-key struggling, so I hope you don't really see that in the video. But other than that, y'all, like I said, this hair is bomb. I would highly recommend this wig from Amazon. Unice on Amazon, like I said, I would highly recommend. The link to the same exact wig will be down below if you guys are interested on how I got this look. Continue watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!